Hello, my name is Miss Dantes and I'm here to speak to you about Core Maths. Core Maths is a one-year course that can be coupled with financial studies, but Mr. Basenko will speak to you about that in another video. So which Core Maths course do we use? There are various Core Maths courses, but the one that we use is AQA Level 3 Mathematical Studies. As the name suggests, it is a Level 3 course. It's equivalent to an AS, and if you are considering going to university, the UCAS points are allocated just as they would be with an AS qualification. So what does Core Maths involve? Core Maths involves using mathematical skills to solve problems in a real life context. So for example, you would have to do things like calculate income tax, calculate interest rates on a credit card or interest rates on a mortgage. These are just a few examples of the things that you could be asked to do. Core Maths is distinctly different to GCSE Maths in as much as you will be asked to explain your answers using words as well as mathematical calculations. So that's something also to bear in mind. And also I think it makes it just that little bit more interesting and nice to get your teeth into. So what are the entry requirements? In order to study this course, you will need to achieve a minimum of a grade 5 in maths and English. So it's also important to bear that in mind. Okay, so what does the course consist of? There are two components. The first component is compulsory, and that involves analysis of data, maths for personal finance, estimation, and critical analysis. After that, there is an optional component, and the option that we go for is statistical studies. Now, the reasoning behind that is that most of our students study statistics in Key Stage 4, and this option allows them to build on that knowledge. The good thing also is that you get to study statistics at a high level, and you can do lots of interesting things like, for example, normal distribution that a lot of students enjoy. What does the exam look like? There are two exams. Both of them are an hour and a half. They are 60 marks each, and they are both calculator. A scientific calculator is compulsory for this course, and it is essential that you have one on the very first day because you will need it. Core Maths differs to GCSE Maths because you are also given pre-release material. Now, pre-release material is data the exam board give you before the exam that you then have to analyse and try to predict the types of questions that they're going to ask you on this data. However, it's nothing to worry about because it's something that we would work through together and you'd get a lot of help with this. How is it graded? Well, just as an AS, it's graded from A to E. Right. I hope I've now given you a brief overview of Core Maths. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact the sixth form team. Also, if you'd like a flyer, please contact the sixth form team and we can get you one of those or email it to you. Thank you very much for your time.